Today was all about STEM e-fashion, where science meets fashion. So this thread is a special thread. It conducts electricity. So it has wires inside them.
Wow! Come on, groove along.
So I'm very glad that I got to share my experience and teach them how to make fabric glow and light up.
Sweet honey, let's take it real soon. You know we got what you need, baby.
It is combining traditional fabric and digital components like conductive thread that makes it so amazing and so perfect. Technology is growing and so is education, and today I am happy that I have been able to contribute to that. Kids are naturally very curious, very interesting, and very creative and very curious.
Wow! Come on, groove along. Let's say it, baby. I know you're on a roll. Sweet honey, let's take it real soon. You know we got what you need, baby. So take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey. Come and groove along. Come on.
This is Sumita Mukherjee. I'm an international best-selling children's book author and a certified NASA STEM educator. I'm extremely happy and glad to be part of Project Vogue Junior.